Alright guys, I'm super pumped because this is the new project build that we bought from Copart, BMW 2015 M5. It's fully loaded, it has a bunch of extra things on the car, it's a carbon fiber and all that stuff. So we're gonna walk through the damages and show you the car. It has a very small front damage. As you can see, the lip is broken. Otherwise, it's all perfect. Like the body stuff, in terms of body, it's all good. No dents, no bends. It's fully tinted, even the windshield tinted. It has the carbon fiber stuff on the mirror. Tires are pretty good. It has a camera on the bumper. Wow. Guys, did you see that? First time seeing that, honestly. It has the camera on the right side and camera on the left side. Wow, that is sick. Adaptive LED. Let's check inside. It has a carbon fiber steering wheel. Even the battery is good. That's pretty weird. It has a Bang & Olufsen sound. Interior looks very good. As I said before, it has the Alcantara roof and all that stuff. So we bought this car from Copart for $12,900. We bought it from non-insurance auto auction, so it means that the seller was not insurance. Primary damage is mechanical. Run and drives, yes. So basically it means that the car run and drives, but it has mechanical problem. It's salvage certificate and pure sale. Pure sale means that wherever price will be on the auction, it will be sold, so it will not be on approval. So basically it means that the seller kind of doesn't care about the price, he just want to get rid of it. I can see that probably it has a flat damage as well, but we'll check it out. It should be good. It shows us a run and drive car, but we'll see if we can start this car or not. Here you go. Here's the M series engine. Has twin turbos, twin intercooler. Wow, this engine is sick. It has the kind of the hook tool went out, so we're gonna put it back, so it's gonna be more easier to open up. Yeah, as you can see, this engine's pretty loaded. Guys, it shows as run and drive from Copart, so let's check it out if this car will start or not. The battery is dead, so we're gonna jump start the car and see what happens. Okay, let's try. It has a check engine light, which is weird. Alright, so quickly summarize what I just saw. The car starts right away with no problem at all. It has check engine problem, check engine light is on, and when you push the throttle, it's not going. It's kind of have that stop limit where you cannot put on throttle. When you put in gas, when you're flooring, it's not going anywhere. So looks like something with throttle body or something like that. I'm not sure. We're gonna connect our scanner and see what we found. Okay, so let's see, because we have the check engine is on, and that's the only code that it has. Okay guys, so we've done a diagnostic and it shows that cylinder 6 is misfired. We don't know what it is, but looks like it has something with a misfire. When you raise the coast, the car is working fine with no problem, and like in 15 seconds it will kind of vibrate in the engine bay. So one of the cylinders is out. Here's the coils that we have. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see that? So it looks like they've been checking this out. It looks like they're trying to fix it, but no luck. But we'll fix it, no worries. We'll check it out. Guys, we're trying to drive this car, but man, it's kind of shaking so bad. Wow. Sounds very good. Alright guys, so Dima is trying to change the 6th coil to the 5th one, so that way we can see if the problem is on a coil. If that will happen, we will be so lucky that it would be like very good. So we're changing the 6th coil with the 5th one and check if the check engine will show now in the 5th coil, because right now the code is on a cylinder misfire number 6. So this way we'll see if it's the coil or something deeper than the coil. Alright, so change the coils. Now we're gonna connect the scanner and see. Hopefully it will show 5th coil. If it's gonna be the thing on the 5th coil, we'll be so lucky. We're gonna see and try. Let's go. Okay, now we'll see if the coil will be on the 5. Oh guys, so still it shows number 6. Cylinder number 6 is bad. So it looks like it's not a coil, it's something more deeper than the coil. So we'll see. This is number 6 coil. We change it to number 5 and still same problem. So most likely it's something deeper than the coil. So we have to figure this out. Alright, so on the side of the car, it has the Instagram profile, I think, of the owner of the car. So we decided to snap a picture of the car and put it on our story on our page. And guess what? He replied back to us maybe in 5 minutes. So he said, and we kind of asked, hey brother, just let us know what's the problem. We want to fix it. We want to build as a project car. So let us know what you know. And he said that it has the scratches on the cylinder head number 6. They scoped that with the camera and they said the engine is no good. And the second thing that he said to me, the transmission will fail soon. Okay, so here's what we got. We posted the photo with his name, said the car isn't for service, and this is what he said. He said, curious to see what you guys find out. We said, hey, what happened? Misfire cylinder 6. He said, engine is no good. Scratches on the cylinder wall. Car had 800 HP. He was like, wow, man. And he said that just number cylinder 6 got misfired and scratched on the cylinder. So we kind of went back and forth. He said that we scoped the scratches, it needs a new engine. He also said clutch is also on its way out. Those two news are not the greatest one that we wanna hear from the owner, but we'll check. In the next episode, we'll pull the spark plugs and check maybe the spark plugs is out, because we called a couple of friends who specialize in BMWs and they said, hey, check the spark plugs, it might be the spark plugs only, and that's it. And if spark plugs won't help, we'll try to change the ECM box on the left side of the engine bay. See if that will help out to eliminate the problem. I'm kind of going towards the electrical problem rather than mechanical, because it looks like it gotta be electrical problem first. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing to our new channel. Like the video and comment below what you guys think is the problem on our car. Maybe you guys will help us out in this problem.